back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I'm fully into and committed to the Valentine's Day theme. So this is the look that I will be doing today for you all. So if you guys want to know how I did this, how I actually fared when it came to finally applying fake lashes, just keep watching. Alright, so first things first, I'm just going to start with some moisturizer. I've been using the Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydro Boost, kind of like a water gel sort of deal. I find it's been better for my skin, especially since it's winter right now and it has been very dry. But let's get started on our eyes. I got that extra zoom lens on now, so I'm just going in with some Shape Tape as a base. Blend this shit out. Just using my James Charles palette. So I'm just taking canvas all over my eyes right now, just to give us that nice base. So I'm just taking Punch Me now. So do any of you guys have any fun Valentine's Day plans at all? Anything good going on? Let me know in the comments. It's nice something to do besides working. So we're going pink. We're gonna do some real pink work. That's what we're doing. That is the plan. Me taking 21 out of this palette. It's Makeup Revolution Soph X Ultra Spice, or Extra Spice. I am taking the shade 21. And I'm just gonna start putting that right here. And we're ever so slowly just gonna be building that up. I think that this one, it's kind of like you just have to keep packing it. Actually, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna spritz this a little bit. So I'm just kind of going like a C formation sort of deal. This is so nice. My parents, so for Christmas, cause it's been a minute since I've been on here, hasn't it? Parents got me a nice lamp, or a nice ring light for Christmas. So that's currently why I look so much brighter. But also you can now see how pale I am. So that's great. Definitely have to start tanning a little bit more now, huh? Okay, so we got that part done. So I'm just gonna switch over to a smaller brush. These are mermaid shaped. My roommate got them for me, as well as this mic that I'm wearing right now, which hopefully will make my audio a little bit better as well. So I'm not like too worried about like the center part getting a little bit colored up, just because I will be kind of going back in there with some concealer. Just gonna blend that a little bit. These brushes are so freaking soft, especially this one. It's like I just want to keep blending stuff just because it feels so nice. I think I want to brighten it up a little bit, so I'm going to take Skip from the James Charles palette. It's doing something. I don't know if you can see, but it's happening. We're just literally putting every pink eyeshadow I have onto my eye. Now we're just going to be making that little part right there a little bit more pronounced. So we're really working Skip into the center of our eye. Okay, so that's something. That's something right there. I'm gonna use another like blending brush and just try to blend these kind of out a little bit. Okay, that's like something. All right, you know what? The glitter will hide it. We're just gonna use glitter to hide everything. It's fine. So I'm going into the Friendcation palette and I'm taking Just a Kiss and Try Me. And I'm putting both of those in the center. So I'm taking the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. It's just what I've been using lately. What's great about this pencil is how easy your mistakes can be blended away, because Lord knows I make plenty of those when it comes to doing my brows. Alright, basically as good as they get. So I'm just going to take some eyebrow gel from Glossier, the Boy Brow, just to keep these bad boys in place. We're just going to be putting on some eyeliner now. This is the Maybelline New York Master Precise Ink. So, since we got that all good, I'm just going to take a black eyeshadow and just kind of pack that on there. So I'm actually going under the lashes as well, just to kind of get rid of that little line of skin that you can see underneath the lashes as well. So I'm not going to talk as much or else I'm going to poke myself in the eye. Okay, so now the really fun part. Gonna be putting these lashes on. I've only done it like once. Enjoy my struggle. Actually, I probably should curl my lashes first, right? Yep, that seems like a good idea. So these are the House of Lashes in the style Valentina. I just liked them as a good kind of getting used to lash, since I'm obviously not used to wearing lashes. And I found it look pretty good. So I'm also using the House of Lashes lash glue too. I just used the Glossier mascara just to kind of bring the lashes up into the fake lashes. You just kind of want to make sure you're gentle when you're doing this, just so you don't rip the fake lashes off your eyes. Not too shabby, huh? Okay, so now I'm just going to be moving on to the face. I'm going to use this Milk makeup primer. I like it because it kind of really blurs the pores. Oh yeah, so I'm just using my Matte and Poreless foundation. That has not changed. I still really like this formula. And I don't really ever wear pink eyeshadow, but I'm kind of loving this, kind of living for it. We are almost complete with our whole situation. So I'm just going to take Shape Tape again, and I'm just going right here in the little hollows of my eye and covering up as much of my spots as I can. Now before all that creases a ton, I'm just going to take my translucent powder. Boom. Also some on the forehead as well, just like down the center, because that's where I get a bit shiny. Just going to give myself some face definition, doing a little bit of contouring. Wow. So the line does show up. Cool. I can't wait to see how much shit shows up now that I actually have like a good light. Look at that cheekbone. Just gonna do some on the nose. Also the Cupid's bow as well. Give me some shine, right? Now that I was just able to do a quick little Target run, because my camera was dying, so I decided just, you know, say screw it, because I need to go get cookie dough, so I'm actually baking right now. So I'm just going back in with face again, doing a nice little inner corner highlight as well. I think I'm gonna use this one again. Just gonna take Skip. go on the lower lash line. So just to kind of like bring it all together, I'm just gonna put some mascara on my lower lashes. Just gonna give my face another spray again. Especially since I just went out into the world. All right, I think we're basically done. So here is the finished look. Got the fake lashes on. I finally did some fake lashes for once in my life. I think it definitely brings the whole look together. We got some sparkle and all of the pinks that all of the palettes that I have had to offer as well. But yeah, so for the lips, I think you can wear almost anything. Like you can do a simple gloss just to give your lips some shine. Nothing too crazy. Just boom, boom, simple. Or we can be the absolute most. This is another option, which I might actually do because I like how the reflex look. Kind of got some pink in there as well. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope whatever you were doing Valentine's Day, you have a lot of fun, whether it's going out with your boo or staying at home and binging on Netflix and eating whatever the hell you feel like it. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I like how the